Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on aiseo. Now this is aiseo. Now what is it about? It is the number one AI content generator for undetectable SEO optimized writing. Now it is designed to assist users in creating and optimizing content for search engines. Its key features include SEO optimization and scoring, long-form content generation, readability improvement, keyword integration, AI detection bypass that is humanizer, image generation, multilingual support, and user-friendly interface, which is usually described as intuitive and easy to navigate. So what are you waiting for? You can give it a try today. aiseo.ai. Just go there and you'll see much more about it. Now, let's see if it has a free trial. Yes, it does. So you can get started for free today.